First, we'll want to start out with 170 grams of mixed vegetables and a little water. I would also typically add in half an onion and 1 to 2 crushed cloves of garlic, but they're too aromatic for my pregnant wife to stomach. Next, we'll add 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Oyster sauce can be substituted for hoisin sauce, as long as you find calorically similar sauces, or add it to your totals for the dish, as this will affect macronutrients. After that, we will want to turn up the heat and add in 4 cups of previously cooked white rice. Stir it up very well, and then replace the lid. In another pan, we'll add 2 whole eggs that we will whisk while they cook. We will now add those eggs to our rice and mix while it's still on high heat. Now we want to weigh out everything we just made. In this case, it comes to just about 1,200 grams. Zero out the scale with an empty meal prep container and divide the amount by 4. In this case, 300 grams of rice per container. We will then zero out our scale again and add 4 ounces of previously cooked chicken to each container. I'm using smoked chicken breast. And there you have it. 4 450 calorie meals for under $20. Feel free to add any other dry spices. Bear in mind that many hot sauces will have calories in them that you would need to track.